guys, and welcome back to my channel. 2021 is already here and I wish you guys a very happy new year. This is episode 2 of my Winter Beauty Basics series, and in this episode I will show you guys step-to-step skincare routine for winter dry skin and also the products I use. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tone my face, and for that I'm gonna use the Body Shop Tea Tree Toner. I'm just gonna put it on the cotton pad and just gently wipe down my face. It's gonna remove any excess dirt or any makeup which is left over on my face. So next up, I'm gonna move on to with exfoliating, and for that I'm gonna be using St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and I'm gonna dip it with hot water. I'm just gonna put it around my nose. I'm gonna give it about 45 to 50 seconds so that my pores are open and it's easier for me to exfoliate and remove any dead skin cells. Now I'm also gonna go on my cheeks. And now I'm gonna take a scrub. I'm just taking like a pea size. And then I'm gonna move my fingers on my cheeks in circular motion. And then on my nose. Just make sure that you do not rub your face very hard. It's gonna make your face look red and it's gonna build up some rashes on your face. I'm gonna take my one finger and just very small circular motions on my nose. I always recommend exfoliating your face in winter from 2 to 3 times depending on your skin type. If you have a dry skin, you should exfoliate your face for 3 times a week, and if you have oily skin, you can go with 2 times a week. But exfoliating your skin makes it look very flawless and also takes all the dead skin cells out of your face, which makes your skin glow. So you can take your sweet time. You can take 10 minutes just to exfoliate your face. And once you're done, you can simply take a cotton pad and dip it in hot water and just wipe off your scrub. So after exfoliating my face, I'm gonna move on to face mask, and for that I'm gonna be using Indian Healing Clay. I got this from Amazon. It was around $19-ish. I mixed it with equal amount of apple cider vinegar. That's what is recommended in directions. So now I'm gonna just apply it on my face. I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply it. I'm gonna apply it in upward motion, more like an outward motion, so that my skin does not get any wrinkles after this. Since I have normal skin, I'm gonna keep this mask for about 15 to 20 minutes. And if you have a dry skin or a sensitive skin, you should keep this mask for about 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna be right back after I wash this off. I'm back after washing my face, and now I'm gonna give a little massage to my face with the face oil, and for that I'm gonna be using the Ordinary's 100% organic cold press Rosehip seed oil. I'm just gonna take 3-4 drops. Just gonna rub it between my palms, just apply it on my face. I'm gonna make sure that I'm covering all the dry areas, all the dry patches on my face. And then I'm gonna give a little massage to my face. So I'm just gonna move my hands from the middle of my face towards the end. This massage is gonna help in blood circulation, and it's gonna make your skin glow and look flawless. So now at the end, I'm gonna moisturize my face, and for that I'm gonna be using Cetaphil's Moisturizing Lotion. I'm just gonna take it on my hand, just a pea size. I'm just gonna apply it on my face. I'm just gonna gently massage with the moisturizer as well. So this is it, guys, for my winter skincare routine. I do this every 2 to 3 days in a week, and if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like button and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.